The iPhone 12 mini's all-glass design is beautiful to look at, but prone to scratches, scuffs, and other damage. If you are interested in buying this case, link is available in the description below. For most people, grabbing a case for your iPhone 12 mini is a good investment. With enhanced shock absorption, slim grip design, and dual-layered structure for extra protection, Spigen's Neo Hybrid case for the iPhone 12 mini seems like your phone's perfect partner. Let's see how it holds up. The first thing you'll notice is the case's feel. While the iPhone 12 mini is a smooth, slippery phone, the Neo Hybrid takes your device and gives it a more rugged, textured feel. The back of the case sports a texturized rubber, while the bumper is made out of a hard plastic, leaving room to access the buttons, switches, and ports along the edges of the iPhone 12 mini. The most surprising aspect of the Neo Hybrid is how seamless the hard polycarbonate bumper that runs along the edges of the phone is incorporated into the case. You can run your finger along the seams of this bumper all day long and never catch your finger or feel a bump at all. While this case is technically two pieces, the beauty of the Neo Hybrid is that it never feels like it's more than one piece. The bumper is so snug and seamless that you never have to take it apart, even when you're taking the case of your phone, or trying to strap your iPhone 12 mini into the case. Spigen's color collection for the Neo Hybrid offers a few different looks. You can pick up the Neo Hybrid in different colors. Spigen's Neo Hybrid case is drop-tested military grade, which means Spigen's protective cases have been tested by a third-party lab to be certified in military-grade protection. With the phone's air cushion technology, dual-layer structure, and inner shock dispersion, it's clear the Neo Hybrid is designed to withstand quite a bit of abuse. While I have only been carrying the Neo Hybrid on my iPhone 12 mini for a couple of weeks, I have had the Neo Hybrid on my iPhone 8 Plus for a few months, and it has kept my phone safe from a lot of minor damage. I also love the rubber that covers the buttons along the edges of the phone. They are prominent enough to easily feel inside your pocket, meaning you know the best way to pull your phone out, and they offer a slight but satisfying tactile click when you press them. My only real critique of the Neo Hybrid is that the coating or paint on the bumper is prone to scratching off. This isn't a big deal, as a phone case is meant to protect the phone, not itself, but I have noticed that even keys or coins in my pocket have made minor scuffs in the bumper.